In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete contacts from my Mailchimp. So I'm currently logged into my Mailchimp account, and here on the left-hand panel, you will see this option right here that says audience. Go ahead and click on this. Now here you'll see all your different contacts. You want to just delete, let's say this one. You just click on this check mark, okay? And then you can come here, click on these three dots, then click on delete. If you're going to delete more than one, you just check the ones you want to delete. Come here again on those three dots, then click on a delete right here. Let's say you want to delete everything at once. You just check mark this. Okay, so all of the entries will be checked, and then you can go ahead and delete all of them by clicking on the three dots and click and delete. So I'll just show you two as an example. These two, okay? So remember we had 26 total contacts. I come here, click on these three dots, click on delete, and then they're going to ask you if you want to permanently go ahead and delete. Okay, whatever reason you want to delete for, you can go ahead and do that. So let's say you want to clean up your audience, continue. Okay, now I want to go ahead and click on this, okay, text box, and type in exactly what they ask you to type. So here it said type archive, so type archive, and you can go ahead and click on archive or click on permanently delete instead to permanently delete those. Toggle this on, and then now I want you to type in permanently, okay, delete it. Type that in, make sure the spelling is correct. And after you do that, go ahead and click on permanently delete right here, and as you can see, the two contacts have been deleted, and we should be left with only 24 contacts. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh this, and let's see how many we are now left with. There we go. We are only left with 24 contacts, and it's really that easy and simple.